Want to know how to generate all prime factors of a number in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we'll start with the number n. So we just take our number n and we first divide it by 2 until it's no longer divisible. Those are your smallest prime factors. Then we move on to odd numbers starting from 3 and check divisibility in a loop. Each time it divides evenly, we print that factor and keep dividing until it doesn't. Finally, if n is greater than 2 at the end, that means n itself is a prime factor. So for example, if n equals to 60, the prime factors are 2, 2, 3 and 5. This technique uses division and loops to break down numbers into their prime building blocks. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So I'm just going to run this code to show you. And I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.